a recoger a mis primas. ¿Sí? Con mi pelo loquito. ¿Dónde están las primas, papi? ¿En el bus? Vamos a verlas bajarse del bus. Van a estar tan contentas. Skylar and Delilah?
Hey guys.
Welcome to our aunt and uncle's channel.
We just got off the bus from school and right now we're gonna do homework, and when our mom comes we're gonna go to Target maybe.
Yeah, but she's a teacher, so we have to wait until she finishes with her lesson plans for tomorrow.
Skylar and Delilah, how does it feel to move from the projects to a house?
It feels really good. I've never been so happy before.
Wow.
It just feels like there's a lot more space.
Okay.
It smells a lot more nicer than this.
I can't hear you. What you said?
And it smells a lot more nicer than the projects.
What did the projects smell like?
It smells like dog poop.
Ew.
Rotten poop, and it smells like someone just peed into diarrhea and
Why do you think it smells like that?
because people don't take care
Exactly.
and they just want to do whatever they want.
And here, everyone's nice and clean.
Yes.
But some people, those neighbors, the lady smoke.
Oh, what's wrong with smoking?
It can kill you.
How do you know that?
Because I did a research paper on it.
Wow. Okay, guys, well, let's go in for lunch.
Right now we're making lunch, and my sister's gonna tell the ingredients.
Okay, so for our sandwich, we are going to be eating Bimbo soft wheat bread with Hellmann's real mayonnaise and some honey custard, ham and cheese and turkey.
And the last ingredient you might not like, but we're gonna tell you at the end.
Yeah, the special ingredient that most people don't like.
Most people do not like.
And then
we have 2 packets of cheese.
Regular cheese.
Cheese!
Wow. Okay.
No.
Okay, so.
Look at this top.
Okay, why you have it recent?
Okay, and then we have 3 plates.
And a knife for that mayonnaise. Now, let's open these.
Kids, make sure
You have a supervision of an adult when using a knife.
it can cut yourself. So be very, very, very careful.
And aware.
We're gonna be making sandwiches.
3 sandwiches today. Makes the video with our uncle, but our uncle could not be here today.
Because he's at work.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm so funny. I've never been on YouTube before.
Now let's put this cheese.
I do not like cheese on mine, just in case.
She hates cheese.
Except on my grilled cheese. Because it has the word cheese on it. Why would it go out cheese? Grill.
You know what, girls? You guys make a sandwich for mommy. I'm gonna make a grilled cheese. Now you said grilled cheese. I want a grilled cheese.
Okay. So I'm going to put the ham on the first one that I started making because I unrolled the cheese. Okay, wow. Okay, guys. So now I'm adding 10 more pieces.
This is my sister.
Okay, now let's open this. That was a big noise.
Because this is a huge man.
There's been bigger mayonnaises.
I know. There's been a bigger jar. I'm gonna right now. You're just gonna see my sister, and right now I'm gonna check out my cousin.
Unable. The creator's child. Okay. Let's just open this. We'll put mayonnaise on it. And yeah, so write down in the comments below if you like your sandwiches with mayonnaise, because I love them. Makes the taste of the sandwich more creamy. Mayonnaise is good. Makes it taste good. So now that that is done, we'll just smush it down. And then for the last sandwich, I'll put the special ingredient, which is something green.
So the secret ingredient is spinach. I know
That
most people don't even like spinach.
but if you put it in your sandwich, you don't
You
taste
won't
it.
even taste the spinach.
So right
So
now,
this one's my sister, plain old with cheese.
but then it's gonna turn even better when we add a special, not ingredient. So now I have 3 spinaches, and I'm going to add one on the edge, one in the middle, and one on the edge.
Now that's 3 spinach. Look
now
at the
I'm going to
spinach.
add one more spinach just to make it look even
Not
linear.
better, not cheaper.
So this is how it looks like now.
Okay, me and mommy were talking.
Okay, this is how it looks with all the spinach on it. Now let's place it back down, and then at the end, we are going to make all the sandwiches into puzzles. Sandwich puzzles. Yes.
A sandwich cutter. You take it where the slice edges are. See? And then put it where the bread is at. And then press it really good. And then when it's like this puffy, you take the edges off.
I am cutting right at the lines to see where the shape is of the cookie. And then once I do that, I will take all the extra pieces that do not need to be here. So this is all the extra pieces. And if any type of ham or cheese comes out, you can just eat it. Cheese. Okay. Now that we have the extras on the plate. Okay, guys. So once you have the whole outline cut out from on the back, we're gonna need to see a little bit more here. This is how it could look like in the back, and then in the front it will look really puffy with all the shapes like that. And when you have like one separate from everything, it kind of looks like a little animal with the head and then the 2 legs. So right now it is time to pop it out. And this is how you pop it out. Okay, right. To pop it out, you would start from the curved area, push it down, and you have to push the squared area and push it down and push the really tiny rectangle area and push it down and make sure it does not break. And if one of the meat gets stuck, you'll just have to cut it off. When all the puzzle pieces are cut out, and this is how it looks like, then you take it out. And that's really, it's time to taste. It's does really taste, it tastes really good. And you cannot taste the spinach at all. Our sandwich cutter in Brooklyn at our local supermarket, but I'm sure you can find your sandwich cutter online. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share, and like to my aunt's and my uncle's channel. Love you.